Okay, from the dining room, then, oops, I'm gonna put it down. This is the beautiful kitchen now with the wood-like floor, and this is the backsplash that Ken did. We're about to go get the light switches. We're going to get real pretty ones, but this is all glass mosaic. It just looks awesome. He did a great job. So, new dishwasher, new faucet. And this house has the pass-through window to the lanai. And then a beautiful chandelier I picked out. And here's the new range, microwave, and our $700 fridge. It's really nice. Brand new. Ta-da! So the kitchen leads into this other kind of multi-purpose room.